There we go.
I don't think he wants to try that again.
Come on, I got you. Now your back end's gonna hammer hard on that rock with the pump.
Slow, slow, slow.
There you go. Come on up.
All right, he's gonna try round 2.
You gonna take a running shot?
Do it again.
What's the definition of insanity?
Do it over and over?
And expecting a different result?
Yeah.
I don't see how.
It's okay, I still got the one strap off, so I'm good.
Second time around.
Hey, the first one's free. We're gonna come in on this side of the rock this time.
Jeep says yes, yes, but the tree over there said no, no.
All right, here we go for round 2.
You got room, you can come up.
Yeah, you got plenty of room to come up.
Ooh, Jesus Christ.
He's mad now. Or determined or something.
I'll go with
Right.
Put it down.
Throttle out.
Straighten it up.
No.
Straighten it up.
Just watch Kirby. Watch Kirby. Slow.
Slow. Slow, 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 slow.
Oh.
Oh, that was good.
Yeah.
That was different. Y'all check his diff. Check his steering.
Steering's good. Diff got hit, but it's got an ARB cover. It's fine.
I thought you were going to get your Jeep, bro.
That's one way to do it, John. You did it.
The shorter wheelbase is easier than the longer wheelbase.
The shorter one's easier? Oh, wow, I gotta go back and try it.
Are you trying it?
Oh, I don't mind using it every once in a while, but not every.
We got a videotape of mine.
All right, here we go with another attempt at Waterfall Rock.
I want you to go passenger up on this rock right here.
If you go slow, you're just going to stop.
Passenger on this rock right here, driver on this rock here. So stay faster. Come on in. Hey, you might want to push your rock around. Come on in, come on in. Forward. Yeah, I want your passenger on this rock. Here you go. Now, driver. No.
Stop.
I got.
You gotta come over this way more.
Okay, and driver on this one. I got you.
Driver on this one. Yeah, the passenger on this angle is right here. Gonna do the same thing. Come on.
Go home with you.
Back up a little bit farther.
Slippery than Oxnard.
Yeah, I got another expression that I don't share with me. All right, ho. Slow and easy.
Straight.
Slow and easy. Yep, right. The way you got your tires right now. Come on, no. I said the way you had your tires. Right there.
Yeah.
There you go. Come on. You're good. Come on. There you go. Come on. All right, right, you're still good. Come on. You're still on the same rock I want you to be on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on easy. Come on easy. Come on easy. Come on easy. Now give it gas. Come through it. Come on. Come on.
Oh, look, that back rock picked it up just at the right time.
The bumper's going to hit that rock.
Let's knock it off. I need a new one.
So slow and easy down. Slow and easy down. Come on. Come on. Come on. 8 inches. 8 inches. Come on. 8 inches. 8 inches. 2 inches. 2 inches. You're dropping now. Slow and easy. Slow and easy.
Is
You're
that
there.
still there?
Perfect. You're there.
I just knocked the bumper
Yeah, good stuff.
Yeah. I don't know what happened.
Caliper locked up. Anybody else want to ride it?
Did I hit that rock right there?
Come on.
There's a rock there.
So he makes it over the hard obstacle, and now he's getting his rear diff caught.
Stay right here.
Yeah, you just got caught on the rock there.
Yeah.
You go a little farther right.
These are the guys from Armorlite.
Same way.
They're gonna go for it too.
No,
I feel like I
Hey,
left out.
it ain't their Jeep.
So that I can
You get your tire slide down into that groove, you're still good. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Alright, slow and easy. Go driver just a touch. Come on, straight. Come on, straight. You're dropping off right now with your driver. Give it a little bit of yes. Come on.
Oh,
That's awesome.
Where does it go? Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. There you go. All right, 6, 2, 1. Dropping. There you go, you're good.
You know,
You're good. You're actually hitting the rock.
It's the Armorlite that makes that look so easy.
missed the rock. Look at that.
Hey!
That was good.
Anybody else want to play? Okay, hold on, stop. Stay as close to this side as you can. Slow and easy, slow,
Whoa.
slow, slow. Easy down, easy down, easy down, easy down.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. If we put a rock,
You can give it a little gas and go forward.
we get a rock behind that driver's rear.
Maybe a little tug. What's over there?
Nothing. There's that big rock over there to your right hand side. Go back again.
Turn all the way driver and try it.
Driver, see if you can. Driver.
Other driver.
Try it.
Oh, back it up.
Back. Try to tug it. Somebody got a strap hooked up to their Jeep right here, white. I think it's the drive.
Excuse me. I wonder if we can.
He's even got his winch hooked up.
Can this? Will that rock fit? Will that get behind your rear wheel?
No, I need something on my, I need
Well,
something on that front.
yeah,
the
but-
front up.
If you get your back up, the front will go.
He just turtle on a skip blade.
Oh, here. Stack that one on top of there and you got it. Kirby, I got a big one here. Nice flat one. There you go. That might do it. Yeah, don't get behind him.
I can get one more flat rock.
There you go.
Flat rock. How big?
Kirby, this might be good.
Oh, yeah. Use one of them as a hammer.
See what you got there. Go forward. Yep.
Nope.
Try it
Don't
forward
hurt
again.
anything.
Huh? Try it forward again.
Yeah.
Let's put
You just won't pull it in.
No. Feed it's not a good idea.
No.
Suck the end in.
They're interesting.
I am. You aren't.
My fingers are. Gotta warm them up.
What is it? Can't go over it? Can't go around it?
Tom, pull up. I'm gonna go back around and do that again.
Anybody got a soft shackle? Somebody didn't take my rubber rings that I offered earlier in there. You got a soft shackle?
He does have a soft shackle.
Somebody didn't take my rubber rings that I offered earlier, and now their shackles are stuck.
You gotta watch those Ohio State fans, you know?
Oh, are you? I've got 2 soft shackles. They're just
You want the soft shackle here?
Yeah, it'd be fine.
He's got a soft shackle right here. He's got one, John.
Kirby, you get your overall price.
That's not the first time, won't be the last.
Like your spirit, John.
Oh.
I think you ought to hit it harder back.
He's got my boots on.
Yeah.
I think so.
You gonna do
I
it?
hope so.
Probably not. I don't think I'd have any better luck at all.
Alright, start up. Bit drive. Alright, like Jeep, start a little more easy. Slap strap. It won't take much.
Oh.
There we go.
I don't think he wants to try that again.
Come on, I got you. Now your back end's gonna hammer hard on that rock with the
Slow, slow, slow.
There you go. Come on up.